Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix goose touch issue on your cell phone. So simply you can see this is my cell phone, so there is no goose touch issue here. So this issue appeared in actually when you have broken cell phone or when you have your cell phone cracked or its touch is broken. So when you have this issue, you can easily change your phone or you can fix the re- touch of your cell phone or you can repair your cell phone completely. So when you repair your cell phone you can easily solve this issue. So there is no option in settings or anything available here to fix the goose touch issue. So actually when your screen is broken, it will automatically touch somewhere and run your phone automatically, or you click on somewhere but open the another app. So this is the major issue. You cannot fix it without changing your cell phone, or you have to repair your cell phone.